How to clean the printheads on the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, and 7600 printer series. Over time and after regular use, the printheads on your HP SmartTank printer can become covered in excess ink. This can lead to pages coming out streaked, faded, or even blank. This video will explain how to clean the printheads and keep your printer running smoothly. There are two methods you can use to clean the printheads. You can either use the printer control panel to initiate the cleaning, or you can initiate cleaning through the HP Smart app on your computer. How to clean the printheads on a non-touchscreen printer control panel for HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 6000, 7000, and 7300 printers. There are 3 stages to clean the printheads through a non-touchscreen printer control panel. Complete each button combination to fully clean the printheads. For the Pen Clean 1 stage, press and hold the power button for more than 4 seconds. Continue to hold the power button, then press the Color Copy button twice. Then release the power button. The cleaning process will begin. Wait for the process to complete before beginning the next stage. For the Pen Clean 2 stage, press and hold the power button for more than 4 seconds. Continue to hold the power button, then press the Color Copy button twice and the Mono Copy button once. Then release the power button. The cleaning process will begin. Wait for the process to complete before beginning the next stage. For the Pen Clean 3 stage, press and hold the power button for more than 4 seconds. Continue to hold the power button, then press the Color Copy button and Mono Copy button twice. Then release the power button. The cleaning process will begin. Repeat these stages if needed. How to clean the printheads on a touchscreen printer control panel for HP SmartTank 790 and 7600 printers. From the main screen, select Menu. Select Tools. Select Troubleshooting. And then select Print Quality. Select the Clean Printheads option, and then select OK. The cleaning process begins. Once complete, the printer will print a quality diagnostic page. Check the print quality of the page. You can clean the printheads again or select Done. How to clean the printheads using the HP Smart app embedded web services. Open the HP Smart app and select your HP SmartTank printer by clicking or tapping on the printer image. Then select either Advanced Settings or Printer Homepage EWS. Occasionally, a printer homepage might not be recognized by your web browser. This is normal. If a website security certificate or a warning about an unrecognized website displays, select Continue or Proceed to open the printer homepage. If a login window appears, for the username, type Admin, and then for the password, type the PIN found on the label located on your printer, or type the password set by the administrator. The Embedded Web Services menu then opens. Select Tools on the top banner. Select Utilities in the left-hand menu to expand it. Select the Print Quality Toolbox option. Under the Clean Up section, select Clean to the right of the Clean Printhead option. Wait for the printhead cleaning process to complete. A print quality diagnostic page prints once cleaning is complete. Check the print quality of the page. You can clean the printheads again or select Done. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.